morning, YouTubers. Okay, today is the first video. I just only want to share how to make a small garden in front of our house. I just only want to show you that several of the plants in here I planted by myself, and then some of the everything in here I planted from the seed. Yeah. Okay. Good morning. Okay, I want to show you in here is the lemon. Okay, this all lemon I planted from the seed. You can see in here some of the lemon in here is already I think about 1 month until 2 months, and then this also I think about 3 months. Lemon is about 4 months to 5 months. Okay, this one also the same. This is the one that I like. This is very good trees, a lemon tree. Okay, and then this also, and here this is a ginger that I planted. Okay, and then this is the mint leaf. This is a mint leaf I planted from I bought it from the supermarket, and then I just only cut it, and then from the I just throw it the leaf already eaten, and then